There are an option to write messages in email and to send it after, because in the hours of Christmas the network is slow, is lower than always because there are too much traffic. I don't know why, but to send a message with some days of anticipation and not collapse the network, because sometimes it's need for other things. But there are options to send to several persons with mobile phones.